Welcome back to the Wig Obsessed YouTube channel. My name is Marcie. Today we'll be unboxing this ZARA by UniWigs, which is a Remy human hair monotop wig, SKU number LS1901. Let's get started. Beautiful box. She comes with a wig cap, a rat tail comb, and some knots eraser tape, and a thank you card. Okay, before we open her up, I'm gonna get my hair prepped for trying this beauty on. As you can see, you guys, I have quite a bit of length in my bio hair, but it's very thin and fine, and that is why I became interested in wearing wigs. So you can have some hair, no hair, or anywhere in between and get the benefit of wigs. Okay, so I start out by pulling my hair back into a low pony, and then I add a wig grip. Today, I am using a wig grip from the Hair Grip, and that gives my wig cap something to grip onto so it doesn't try to slide forward, and the wig grip keeps it from sliding back. Two important tools I use to prevent any sort of slippage. Okay, let's open up this wig and check her out. First time opening the bag. So excited to see this one. This is my first opportunity to review a UniWigs human hair wig. Okay, so you can see that she has some packaging. Oh my goodness, look at that color and that curl. Just gotta remove packaging. Let's take a look at this cap construction. Turning her inside out, you can see that ZARA has a full mono top, which means you have the convenience of parting in any direction on either side or right down the middle. The choice is yours. She has a couple of clips for security that will grip your bio hair, or those can be removed if you don't need them or don't want them. She also has an additional strap here for sizing purposes. Again, this can be removed if you don't need or want it. This has closed stitching, no open wefts, and a beautiful extended lace front that goes from ear tab to ear tab. Okay, now let's try her on. Have a medium-sized head. This is a medium-sized wig, and it may work just fine without the extra strap. All right, you guys, I am so excited about this UniWigs hair. Like I said before, this is my first time receiving one of these beautiful girls. Let's take a look at this color. I know you can see that beautiful gold highlighting. She is non-rooted, and you can see that lace front here that I will cut in just a few moments. So let's talk about the length on this one. She has 11 inches here in the front, 11 inches from the crown, and 10.5 inches on the sides. The nape is 7.25 inches. Again, this is Remy human hair with a full mono top. So it looks like the part is a little at an angle here, but with that full mono top, she can be parted on the left, on the right, anywhere in between, and we will probably change that up in just a few minutes when I take her off, cut the lace, and style her. You're likely aware that human hair comes straight from the box a little differently than a synthetic wig will. Synthetic wigs will hold their style. They have a memory, and so you can wash and dry and wash and dry, and they will always return to that same last style. So human hair is human hair, and it has to be styled. And so we can apply heat, we will wash her, we will dry her, we will condition her. Just like the hair on our heads, the style can vary from day to day. This is such a perfect mid-length for me. It's my preference. Oh my gosh, I love so many different styles and lengths, but the mid-length is really my sweet spot. It's my preference. So let's see what we can do with her. Before I put her on my mannequin head and trim the lace, I want to straighten up this part that feels like it's kind of going off to the side. And the easiest way to do that is with the wig on my head. Okay, so I have redirected the part and I'm gonna apply some heat protectant and just add a little bit of heat to hold that new part in place and smooth up these top hairs. There. So next I'll place her on my mannequin head and we'll cut the lace. Okay, let's cut this lace. So you can see I've pinned back the hair so I don't accidentally cut the hair when I'm trimming the lace. I'm using very sharp scissors and I'm leaving about 1/4 inch of lace behind. I've left plenty of lace there in case I need to trim it shorter. All right, let's style her. I am using a Chi twist and curl and I will link to it below. Okay, so you can see I've gone all the way around and curled her, and now let's try her on. I am super impressed with this UniWigs Human Hair ZARA. One of the great things about this wig is it is a budget-friendly wig. You can literally spend thousands on human hair wigs. You can get a lot of wear and mileage out of a budget-friendly wig. And to me, budget-friendly is anything under about $1,000, and anything above that moves into that luxury human hair wig range. But I am super happy with this one. I am loving these colors. I'm loving this soft hair. I'm loving this mid-length lob. And I'm loving the way she's holding a curl. Be sure to leave me a comment below and tell me what you think of this UniWigs human hair wig. Be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a thing. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Wig Obsessed YouTube channel. My name is Marcie, and we'll talk soon.